Okay, so this is my interface, and this is what you're going to be working with. At first, it can look very intimidating with all these buttons and colors, but it's pretty easy once you get used to it. So at the very top, we have the main menu, or top menu bar, where you can find File, open a new scene, open old scene, save scene, or if you want to export your models when you're done, and so on. Then you have Edit, where you can undo, redo, copy, paste. Then we have Create, where you can create primitives, polygon primitives, volume primitives, lights, cameras, curve tools, and so on. For polygon primitives, sphere, cube, cylinder, cone, torus. So a bit lower, we have shelves, as you can call it, where you can select curves, polymodeling, sculpting, rigging, animation. The tools you're going to need are according to the job you're doing. If you're animating, you're mostly going to use this. Or if you're modeling, you're going to be using all of these. So it's very straightforward. Here we have the navigation toolbar, where you can move, rotate, scale. And here's the selection tools. A bit lower, we have the panel layout, where you can select how you want your viewport to look. You can select 4 different cameras and work on them, like the perspective, top, front, side, or just different views. So I'm going to choose this one. On this side, we have the object manipulation tools, which you're going to be using later on in this course. The rigging tool, the attribute editor, the tool editor or tool settings, which I have on a different window, and layers. Also, we have a menu here, and this one changes all of the top menu. I mean, not all of it, but from this here, from Windows, it changes everything here. So if I have rigging, then I'll have stuff required for rigging, like skeleton, and there you can choose a bunch of different tools. Animation, rendering, everything. So this is what I have for 3D modeling, so we're going to be using this one. Okay, so let's create our very first 3D object, and it's a cube. Here you can create any polygon primitive, like sphere, cylinder, cone. I guess you can't see the cone now, but you get the idea. So, the cube. We have different colors, all colored according to the axes. So X, Y, and Z axes. And these little icons let you move your object on 2 different axes. So here we have Z and X axes, so it's moving on the floor. Here we have Z and Y axes, so you're moving on the side. And here we have Y and X axes. Next, we have the rotate tool, and you can rotate on the axes. You can rotate on the camera view so it moves or rotates the object wherever your camera is looking at. And also, you can rotate by selecting not on the colored lines, but on some black space on the sphere and dragging it. So it's going to rotate on all of the axes. And then we have a scale tool. Scale tool's the same. We have axis scaling, and we have 2-axis scaling. So whichever one you're going to choose, it's going to scale to it. So you should play around with it and get used to it. If you want to go back to the object how it was at the beginning, go to the channel box, and all you have to do is type in zeros, and the object is centered again. You can do the same with the rotation and the scale. Oh, my bad. It's not visible because the scale is 0, so that has to be 1. So let's talk about hotkeys, because they make your work a bit faster. But first, let's talk about moving your camera. Alt and left mouse button is going to be rotating around your object. Alt and middle mouse button is going to pan your view. And Alt and right mouse button is going to zoom in or zoom out. One that's very useful when you get lost in space and when you're going to model different objects and the camera gets off center and you just get lost in that space. All you have to do is press F and it centers on the object again, like so. So every time you get lost in space, just press F. If you press the space bar, you get the different cameras view, and you can switch on and off of them with the space bar. Just go with the mouse on it and spacebar. Also, if you want to change this view, you can have two cameras instead of four, and you'll have the front camera and the perspective camera. And when you go in and go out, you still have two of them. If you want four cameras, press four cameras, space, and you have them. Okay, and the last one I want to show you right now is Shift and D. It's going to clone your object and drag it out. And you have duplication going on. And you can have the same thing just by pressing Shift and dragging on one of the axes, and it's going to clone your object. So here we have it. We have 5 different objects now. This cloning works as well with other modifying tools. So it's very easy. Okay, so I think that's going to be enough for this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.